Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of Welding Fundamentals. Before we begin our presentation today, I'd like to share a little information about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver content with effective pedagogy aligned to national standards. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts aligned to standards. Our content, delivered in both print and digital options, is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support. From our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. The online instructor resources provide instructors with time-saving preparation tools such as answer keys, editable lesson plans, and other teaching aids. Some features include lesson plans and activities. Experienced teachers have developed detailed lesson plans and creative activities to accompany the textbooks. There's no need to spend days recreating your courses. They have done it for you. PowerPoint presentations. Editable slides for each chapter engage a variety of learning styles, improve student focus, encourage discussion, and provide visual impact. Interactive content. Additional interactive content, including flashcards and other interactive activities to enhance the learning experience. Review questions can be completed and submitted to the instructor digitally. GW Assessment is a cloud-based assessment platform that seamlessly integrates with a school's LMS. No more downloads, uploads, or imports needed. One quick click takes you directly into GW Assessment. Create, customize, assign, and print pre-built questions and tests to meet the needs of your course. Confirm student comprehension through hundreds of questions in matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer format. Enjoy the auto-grading feature that saves you time, improves your efficiency, and helps with your overall course management. When integrated in an LMS, easily measure student knowledge as grades and results flow right into your LMS gradebook. Gain valuable insights into student performance with advanced reporting delivered to your LMS. Stay current with continuous platform updates that ensure your class always has access to the latest assessments and features. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full ebook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanied media, study tools, and assessments. Supplemental learning with Welding Fundamentals includes the lab workbook, ebook, and the digital companion. The digital companion is an additional online resource for students. The site includes e-flashcards, vocabulary matching activities, review activities, and a variety of other learning activities. Now, let's dive into the textbook. Welding Fundamentals is designed to provide students with a strong understanding of the underlying theory and skills required for successful welding, with a strong emphasis on safety. It provides all of the information needed to help students develop proficiency with the most common welding processes, including SMAW, GMAW, FCAW, GTAW, and oxyfuel welding, thermal cutting, welding symbols and basic print reading, and joint design and fit-up. The text also introduces students to weld inspection and testing. The content covers all of the key indicators for AWS Sense Level 1 certification, NOCTI welding certification, and Use Science Welding Technician 1 and 2. Each major welding process is covered in a section, with individual chapters on process, safety, and equipment setup and adjustment, flat position welding, and out-of-position welding. This new edition features a new chapter on carbon arc cutting and gouging and new hands-on exercises, jobs, and detailed process information to reflect the latest advancements in welding technology and processes. This new edition includes a welding video library, video microclips, and a virtual toolbox for digital users. The instructional design of this textbook includes student-focused learning tools to help students succeed. Each chapter opener contains a list of learning outcomes and a list of key terms. Learning outcomes clearly identify the knowledge and skills to be gained when the chapter is completed. These outcomes are labeled and correlated to related assessment elements in order to facilitate reporting and remediation. Key terms list the key words to be learned in the chapter. Additional features are used throughout the body of each chapter to further learning and knowledge. Warnings alert you to potentially dangerous materials and practices. Cautions alert you to practices that could potentially damage equipment or instruments. Safety concerns are presented in bold red type throughout the textbook to call attention to things that could potentially endanger your safety or that of those around you. Exercises are included throughout the textbook to provide clear instruction for hands-on practice that reinforces concepts and techniques presented in the text. Notes give advice and guidance that is especially applicable for on-the-job situations. Illustrations have been designed to clearly and simply communicate the specific topic. Illustrations have been completely replaced or updated for this edition. Photographic images have been updated to show the latest equipment. End-of-chapter material provides an opportunity for review and application of concepts. A summary provides an additional review tool and reinforces key learning outcomes. This helps you focus on important concepts presented in the text. Know and understand questions enable you to demonstrate knowledge, identification, and comprehension of chapter material. Apply and analyze questions, extend learning, and develop your abilities to use learned material in new situations and to break down material into its component parts. STEM connections are activities that relate the material presented in the chapter to science, technology, engineering, or math. Curricular connections are activities that help you apply your welding knowledge to other academic areas, including social studies, language arts, and critical thinking. Communicating about welding improves your language skills by having you listen, write, and speak about welding-related topics. Accompany welding fundamentals with a lab workbook. These activities provide students with an opportunity for self-assessment as content is presented or assigned. The Welding Fundamentals Digital Companion Resource contains video clips are available to supplement and reinforce classroom instruction and lab demonstrations. The clips include demonstrations of common welding and thermal cutting processes and techniques. Body position and proper torch and welding rod manipulation are shown using a combination of camera techniques to give students a clearer, closer view than can be provided in a typical lab demonstration. Arc and weld pool control are demonstrated using a specialized digital welding camera to provide a clear, magnified view of the electrode, arc, and molten metal. The clips include demonstrations of flat and out-of-position welds. The collection also includes clips that reinforce safety, explain basic joints and fit-up, provide an overview inspecting and testing welds, and explain procedure and welder certification. The Welding Fundamentals Animation Library includes 45 animations to supplement and reinforce classroom instruction. Clear visuals and crisp narrations enable visual learners and struggling readers to clearly understand the content. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. Extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, We want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. Please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it's published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields, new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators. Visit www.g-w.com to learn more about welding fundamentals.